So the top of this extremely tall building is a hotel called Niccolo. And the aim of this video is actually to stay one night in this hotel for absolutely free. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. So this is definitely not the usual video. This is one of the things that I've really wanted to do ever since I came into this city. But recently there was a hotel that opened in this particular building, and it's also very high up in the building. So if you're in one of the rooms, you're gonna have like the view of the whole Suzhou. So this is one amazing thing about this hotel. So I decided to check out the hotel, I decided to check the prices on there, and I realized that straight away this was obviously not going to be cheap. It's really expensive. I'm not going to be like sponsored by them, but you know, there's a way that I'm able to get this free of charge. I'm going to explain that to you in a bit. So at this point I had booked the hotel that I needed to book, and the next stage would be to actually go to the hotel. So I'd never been here before, and then I also don't know how easy the check-in process would be, and also if I would need to pay any extra money. But you know, I packed up my bags, packed the things that I needed, and I was ready to head out. Hey guys, so here we are. So over there you can see there is the Times Square. I'm not sure if y'all can see properly, but yeah, that's the Times Square. And right here is the IFS Tower. So I'm not sure exactly where the entrance is, but I'm gonna try to locate it right now. Okay, yeah, I just saw it.
Are you coming for
Niccolo?
okay, I need your travel code.
Okay.
I'll go to the restaurant.
Sorry?
Restaurant?
Restaurant? No, Niccolo, the hotel.
Oh, okay.
Basically, a travel code is a code that shows all the places you've been in the past 7 days. They usually check this if you're going to stay in the hotel to make sure you haven't been to any COVID high-risk areas. Okay, so first time ever, let's check out the view. Quickly, I'm just going to talk about how I was able to get that hotel for free. Absolutely free. I didn't have to pay any money. But then the thing is, I had to do a lot of work prior to that because there's this app called trip.com. This is the app that I use to book everything I need for a trip. Maybe I need to take a train, maybe I need to take a flight, hotels, you know, car rentals and all that. There's an app called trip.com that I use to do all that. And then they have a partnership program, I would say. Wait, this is 60 frames. All right, so yeah, like I was saying, if you post any of these travel photos, if you post these videos, you get little trip coins. So these trip coins are very like small, but then I was able to save up a huge amount of trip coins from posting my videos, my photos, and then I use those trip coins to book this night stay. I am not sponsored by trip.com, but then this was one way that I found and one way that I used to book this hotel for absolutely free. I have an e-bike. I live in Suzhou, yeah, just visiting.
You're here to
experience this for the first time. So while I was getting checked in, I was able to ask a few questions about the hotel and the different things that they have. So I'm going to be showing you a few of these places during my stay here.
maybe you can go later on. And our swimming pool and
So at this point I realized there was actually something else I had to pay for, and that was the deposit. And it was actually 1,000 RMB. It's 1,000 for the deposit or 100? So I really didn't know it was going to be 1,000 RMB, which is actually pretty pricey. It's about 140 US dollars. But the good thing is that I would have that refunded to me once the stay is over. So still haven't really spent any money. I have the key. So here we are. And yeah, it goes. Okay. Okay, so I had to pay a deposit of $150 as like just kind of like a deposit. So when I am leaving, and I'll get that back. But oof, everything has to be like in complete order by the time I'm leaving. So let me just look at my room. And the lake view is actually the better view, but then those are all sold out today. So I'm gonna have to like make do with the city view. So here we are. First look at the room. What is crazy is that this is completely free. Okay, scan that. And ooh, here we are. Jeez. I'm gonna have to use my camera for this. I think GoPro is not gonna do enough justice. And I'm gonna probably record this with my camera. Let's go. Here there are some, but then I don't think that's free, because right here you got a menu and it says all the prices on here. So as you can see, it says Coca-Cola is 28 RMB, which is extremely overpriced. So basically nothing here is free. All this, you gotta pay for it. All right, but then they didn't say nothing about the fruits, so I'm definitely gonna have like some of these fruits. There's a TV and you have the view. So if I can push through this, there's probably also better ways to do this. Let me figure it out. And you got some books, Chanel. Oh, there's information about the pillow. Okay. Also guys, so this is the bathroom. As we can see here, standard sink, pretty cool, hair dryer, towels underneath. But when you come over here, you have the bathtub. So it's bathtub. It's also got like the shower with the shower head. Also the rain shower. And yeah, you got your bathtub, which you can sit right here and also watch some TV. But one thing is, how do I open the blinds like all the way? I'm trying to, it's probably some button or something that I can press to open it up. Or, you know, is it this? Back out, shutter. Oh yeah, it's probably this. Yes, no, okay. Now I understand. This day was actually the Chinese Mid-Autumn Festival, so I had plans to head out later that day. But the first thing I had to do was just to relax. So after taking a bit of a rest, I went out to check out the pool. This is called the Sky Pool, and really nice. It's open to all the residents of the hotel. And then you have the amazing view of the city. Then next place I checked was the gym. Also, you have this amazing view. I think this is one of the pluses of staying in this hotel. You always have a fantastic view of the city. Pretty small gym, nothing too much, but then it does the job. So later on I checked out the restaurant because I wanted to experience a little bit more about the hotel. And from there you could actually see the lake view, which I feel is the much better view of the city. And I got to watch the sunset from this really, really beautiful spot. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you really liked it, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Also let me know any of your comments, any questions that you have. Please let me know. And yes, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.